Want to use Emergency SOS on your iPhone? Here's how to turn it on and use it properly. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. You'll see a few options here. Turn on Call with Hold and Release. Now to use it, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons together. Keep holding until the Emergency SOS slider appears. If you continue holding, a countdown will begin. When the countdown finishes, your iPhone will automatically call emergency services. Now let's enable another method. Go back to Emergency SOS settings. Turn on Call with 5 presses, or Call with 3 presses depending on your region. Once enabled, quickly press the side button multiple times. A countdown will start, and the emergency call will be placed automatically. You can also enable Call after severe crash. If your iPhone detects a serious car crash, it will automatically call emergency services. And that's it. That's how you use Emergency SOS on your iPhone. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and safety guides.